to create engaging ad campaigns with AI. With consumers overwhelmed by content, AI is revolutionizing advertising by enabling data-driven, highly targeted campaigns. AI helps analyze audience behavior, predict engagement, and optimize messaging to ensure ads resonate effectively. Key benefits of AI in advertising. Audience insights. AI goes beyond demographics, analyzing browsing habits and purchase history to tailor ads to consumer preferences. AI-generated content. AI tools create compelling headlines, ad copy, and visuals, testing hundreds of variations to identify the best-performing versions. Optimized ad spend. AI-powered bidding automates bid adjustments in real time, ensuring cost-effective advertising with maximum ROI. Real-time adjustments. AI continuously tracks ad performance, making automatic adjustments to improve engagement and conversions. By integrating AI, advertisers can move beyond guesswork, enhance precision, and achieve higher engagement and efficiency in their campaigns.